Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about what are the various dependencies required and how are they installed on Windows in order to implement smart contracts and distributed applications on the Ethereum blockchain. So before starting, I would like to quickly introduce myself. I'm Amrisha Kakoti and I'm working as a software engineer at Kpro Solutions Private Limited. Kpro is a leading provider in Datalake, cloud implementations, IoT, blockchain, analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, and mobile application development. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So the various dependencies required in order to implement the smart contracts and distributed applications on the Ethereum blockchain are: the first one is Node.js and NPM. So this Node.js is a server-side JavaScript platform which is used to create applications that will interact with the Ethereum node. And this node package manager, that is the NPM, is used to set up most of the tools and libraries that are required for the development of Ethereum. The next one is Get. So this Get is a command line interface for running a full Ethereum node, which is implemented in Go. It is also the core application on the computer that will connect us to the blockchain. It can also be used to mine real ether, transfer funds, create contracts and send transactions, etc. The next one is Ganache. So it is a personal blockchain for Ethereum development, which can be used to deploy smart contracts, develop applications, run tests, etc. Ganache is also used to create virtual Ethereum blockchain, in which fake accounts are available, which can be used during the development process. The next one is Truffle. So this Truffle is a development environment, testing framework and asset pipeline for Ethereum. So in other words, it helps us to develop smart contracts, publish them, test them, etc. The next one is the Solidity compiler. So it is the compiler which is used to compile the smart contracts which are written in the Solidity language. And the last but not the least is the MetaMask. So it is a Google Chrome extension and is used to run the Ethereum distributed applications right in the browser without running a full Ethereum node. So this MetaMask includes a secure identity vault and also provides an interface to manage our identities on different sites and sign blockchain transactions. So these are the dependencies which are required in order to implement smart contracts and the distributed applications on the Ethereum blockchain. Now let us go through the let us go through the installation process of all these dependencies. Let us start with Node.js and NPM. So before installing Node.js, let us first check if it is already installed or not. So to check that, open your command prompt and type node-v. So if it is installed, which is in my case it is already installed, it will return the version number of the Node.js installed. In case it is not installed, it will give you an error and it will say that node is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. Since in my case it is already installed, it will return the version number. So now let us see how to install Node.js. So to see that, go to this website, which is nodejs.org. So I'll mention the website in the description below. So you go to this website and here I'll show you. So you go to the website and download for Windows 64 bits, right? So you click on the recommended one that is recommended for most users, 10.13.0 LTS. LTS is the long-term support schedule. Okay, so you click on this and let the package get downloaded first. So once the package gets downloaded, open it, and yes, so okay, it's computing space requirements. So once it finishes the computation of the space requirement, click on next. So accept it, again next. So you see this is the path where it will be installed. So if required, copy it, click next. Now everything is there, so nothing you need to do here, just click next, then just click next. Now click install to install it. So since it is already installed in my case, I'll just click cancel. So just click install in your case, okay? So I'll click here cancel. So that's all how you need to install Node.js. Okay. Once it's installed, you will click finish. Okay. So now when you go back to the command prompt and type node -v, it will give you the version number. So just check it. So with the Node.js comes a node package manager as well. So to check if it is installed, click write npm -v. So it should give you the version of the npm installed. So in my case it is 6.4.1. So that's how you need to install Node.js and npm. Now let me walk you through how to install Get. So before installing Get, make sure that you have Firefox or Google Chrome browser, because this Get doesn't really work well with the Internet Explorer. So now let's see how to install Get. Go to this website. So I'll obviously mention the website in the description box. So you go to this website. So let me go to the website, and yes, and click on Get 1.8.18 for Windows. So click on this. Okay, so let the package get downloaded. So once it gets downloaded, click on it, open it. So once you open it, click on yes here. Okay. So this is the license. I agree. Then don't forget to click on this development tools. Okay. So this is must. So click on the development tools and click next. Then this is the part where the Get will be installed. So just click install. Okay, so since in my case it is already installed, I'll click cancel. So once it gets installed, go to the command prompt, and to see which version of Get is installed, so just type Get and version. Okay, so it will give you the version of the Get installed. So it is 1.8.18 stable version. Okay, so this is how you install. So now let me show you how to install Ganache. So in order to install Ganache, go to the website truffleframework.com/Ganache. So this website, as usual, will mention in the description box. So let me go to the website, and yes, you click on download Windows here and let the package get downloaded. So it's getting downloaded. So let it finish downloading. So once the download finishes, click on this. It's loading. Yes, install Ganache, launch when ready. Yep. Click on install. So let it get installed. So installing app package %. So let it get installed. So it's almost complete. 93% is done. Okay, it's almost done. It's stuck in 99%. So yes, it got downloaded, so it should launch itself. Let's see. Okay, so this Ganache is launched. So just click on continue. And once it gets installed Ganache, so you'll see this somewhat like this. So hence this is how you install Ganache. Now let us see how to install Truffle. So in order to install Truffle, go to your command prompt, and first of all you delete if you have any older version of Truffle. So in order to delete any older version of Truffle, if you have, type npm -g uninstall Truffle. So this command will delete if you have any older version of Truffle. Okay, so let's wait. So now you can see it's removed 92 packages saying. So now let us install the latest version of Truffle. So type npm -g install Truffle and click enter. Let us see. Now you can see it's getting installed. So just wait until it gets installed. Should take a few minutes, I guess. So yeah, it's getting installed. So now you can see it got installed here. Added 81 packages from this. Now if you see if it's actually installed, so just type Truffle version in order to find out which version of Truffle is installed. So you can see Truffle version 4.1.14 and Solidity version 0.4.04. Solidity is the language which we'll be using to write smart contracts. Okay, so this is how we install Truffle. Now let us see how to install the Solidity compiler. So the Solidity compiler is used to compile the smart contracts that we'll be writing in the Solidity language. So in order to install the Solidity compiler, go to the command prompt and type npm install -g solc. Okay, so just click enter and wait for it to get installed. Now you can see it's getting installed, right? So yes, updated one package, so it got installed here. So this is the version. So now we'll see if we messed up with the installation part. So we'll just type solcjs. So if this command gives us the command not found error, that means that we have messed up with the installation part. Now let us just click enter and see. So we got mask provider file name. Since it's not giving command not found, so it means that we have successfully installed the Solidity compiler. So this is how we basically install the Solidity compiler. Hence our compiler is installed. Now let us see how to add this MetaMask extension to the Google Chrome browser. In order to add the MetaMask extension, go to this link. Obviously this link I'll add it to the description box. So let me go to this link. So this is the link, and so once I open it, I'll click here add to Chrome. Okay, so it's checking. Then click on add extension. So the extension is being added. So once you see this icon here, this says that the extension got added. So just click on this icon, and yeah, okay, fine. This new version, okay, we'll try it later. So you have to accept here the terms and conditions. Okay, so yes, so click on accept. Again, click on accept. Okay, so again click on accept. So now you are asked to create a password, so just create a password. So I'm just creating one for me, and click on create. So here you can see, so you need to copy this and save it somewhere safe. Okay, so once you have saved it somewhere safe, so click on I have copied it somewhere safe. Now you need to copy the address. So to copy the address, click on this. and you click copy address to clipboard. So just click on that. Okay, so did I even do that? Yeah, okay, fine. Copy address to clipboard. So again, you save it somewhere safe, and you're done with the MetaMask, adding the MetaMask extension to the Google Chrome. So this is how you add the MetaMask extension to the Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to implement smart contracts using these dependencies. Kindly provide your valuable feedback in the comment section below and let us know of any topic you want us to make a video of or any issue you might be facing in your project. You may write to us at feedback@kpro.co.in. Thank you very much. Let's keep learning.